Alright, it's a nice Florida winter morning. David here.
It's freezing cold.
There you go. It's like 50 degrees or 10 degrees Celsius if you're using the Euro units. I mean, even Sak is dressed up wherever you're at, buddy. But here's what we're gonna do. Just not like that, but I had this, whatever it's called, for a few years, so figured I'd dress up for this. But we're actually gonna do two things today. I don't know if you can see, but that Spartan helmet is pretty sick. So since you show up in that, we might as well cut that out, but we'll make two videos out of it. So let's get shop set up and get going. David hasn't seen this yet. I got my projector, my laptop. You can get one of these for like $70 for an expensive one. This one's about $3. Right, obviously I'm not gonna try to even cut the top line. We're just cheating and you're gonna use it, but let's stencil it out. And the only thing I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna make this building a little bit shorter, so this way this won't snap, and it'll be better for hanging this whole thing. I don't know how we're gonna hang it yet, but. That's not OCD, that's just making sure stuff is even.
Yeah.
How far?
30. 55.
Oh snap!
Shit! Damn.
do not mess with the Russian eyeball method.
That's perfect.
You do that slow enough, like you get the decent.
You know what? That would have been bothering me.
Well, now you know. Never doubt me.
So now comes the easy part, or how?
I'd say this part is probably the easier part, just because these have to be so darn perfect, whereas the buildings that don't have to be as precise. Check on that barbecue. Alright. Right. How long has it been? It's been an hour and 15 minutes. Time to add some more charcoal. Go. Hey buddy.
Yeah, that's exactly where I would start.
You want it?
Hand was getting tired.
Damn, the hand just doesn't function anymore. It's not bad, huh? Yeah, look at that outline right there. Yep. You do it at an angle, so you don't try to get in too much. You kind of put the shoe in there and it gets through most of it. So like the back. I just tested it on the Spartan helmet thing. We just rolled it because we want the Batman piece to become nice and even. So let's see what we can do. Hopefully it won't be too janky.
That's not really black, it's kind of grayish black, right?
It's black.
But it looks good.
It's a roll-on paint.
But it's good because it looks like a Batman suit.
It'll be very black.
It'll be very gangster black.
And the sun is like all at the wrong angle. Let's try to take this out of here. Alright, look at that. I think it can get some dark at the top, so I'm gonna flip it. Throw a little more wood here while we finish it up. Actually, it's pretty much perfect as it is. Yeah, it's gonna get a little darker on top right there. I'll definitely take the chicken off though. It's all done. Pretty sick. We screwed a couple of screws from the back. Let's see. To keep it off the wall, and instead of my normal tabs, I just glued the tabs on the back. Let's try to put it down carefully. There you go. But yeah, not a bad morning project. Great success. Alright, so we got all the bones are poking out. I can cut it with this. Yep, let's cut them up and eat.